Hello, Bill. Do you fancy doing a bit of burgling?
Oh, absolutely, Betty.
This classroom's got loads of things in it. I've seen a tub of dinosaurs. I'm going to go and get them. I'll have that. Can you see anything you like?
Oh, I can see a very nice paintbrush over there, Betty. I think I'll take this home to do a bit of painting with.
Hello Year 3, welcome to our lesson on fractions and sharing food. So we are going to have a little problem to solve and you're going to help us. Okay Year 3, it's Tuesday the 23rd of February and we're on to lesson 2 of our new maths topic, which is fractions. And if you joined in with yesterday's learning, which I hope you did, you will have started to make a mind map all about fractions. And on one of our branches on the mind map, it talked about sharing objects. And today we are going back to our story about Burglar Bill and Burglar Betty. And the story talks about them having a sort of midnight feast. So I'm going to tell you what you need to go and get. I'm going to say it quite slowly and then we'll pause the video to give you time to go and collect what you need. So you're going to need to collect together, if you can, 4 empty plates, 4 cups. 2 of the cups need to have some cocoa or a liquid in. That is the same amount. You need 8 ginger biscuits or 8 flat things, 4 little cakes, 1 pie cut into quarters and 1 piece of toast. Now you don't actually need to have these exact things. A letter's been sent out already explaining that you really don't need to have this actual food. It's too much of a faff to go and get it specially for this lesson. So you could actually just have 8 circles to represent biscuits, 4 different circles just roughly cut out of paper to represent the cakes, 1 circle cut into 4, and then roughly a square shape to represent the beans. And the liquid can just be water in 4 cups. So whatever you need to go and get to roughly show what's on the camera down there, that's what you need to go and get. So I'll say it again. 8 things to be biscuits, 4 things to be cakes, 1 thing cut into 4 equal bits to be a pie, and 1 thing to be a slice of toast, and 4 cups, 2 of them are empty, 2 of them have got liquid in. Because it was Bill and Betty, I decided ginger biscuits were mentioned in the story, cups of cocoa were mentioned in the story, he likes a tin of beans, and the rest is just kind of what we're doing in school. All classes in school are doing something similar to this activity, so if you've got more than 1 child, you could do this activity once, just using the same sorts of food. So other classes are using different examples of food, and anything will do. So what you need to do is to start practically sharing all these things between 2 people, Bill and Betty. So you need to work out how much cocoa Bill would get and Betty would get so that they got the same amount. You need to share the biscuits fairly. So there are 8 biscuits. How many biscuits would Betty get? How many biscuits would Bill get? It needs to be the same. We've got our 4 cakes. How many cakes would Betty get and how many would Bill get if it was the same? We've got the pie already cut into 4 equal bits. How many bits would each person get so that it was fair? And we've got our single slice of beans on toast. What could you do? You are allowed to go and get a knife to share that fairly between 2 people. We don't expect you to record this in a smart way in a maths book. You could record it in any way you like so that you can remember how you decided what each person would get. In your maths pack, which you're going to pick up later this week in a green bag, there is a sheet of paper which we will look at later on this week, which you can use to record the answers onto, but you can't do this today. So this piece of paper will appear in your maths pack by the end of the week, and this will be what we can write down the answers on with you having done the task already. So, recap: 8 biscuits, 4 cakes, 1 pie, 1 slice of beans on toast, 2 cups of cocoa. How much would Betty get? How much would Bill get? So that they each got a fair share. So a nice practical maths activity, which we'll talk about on Zoom. Thanks, Year 3.